Welcome to Tech Tree. Myself Vineet, and today we will learn about marker interface. We will also try to create custom marker interface. So what is marker interface? Marker interface has no method or no constants. So marker interface are empty interface. This is also called as tagging interface because we want to tag some class for some particular task. We will look into the example. We have many built-in marker interface in Java, such as serializable or clonable. Marker interface provides additional information to JVM. Additional information means if a class implements serializable, only then we can save this class in a file or in database. If we will try to save an object in a file that does not implement serializable, we will get exception, non-serializable exception. Now the question is, can we create a custom marker interface? Yes, we can create. We will try to create custom marker interface. First we will try to run the example of serializable. How to is serializable? We will try to save an object in file and let's see if we will get exception or not. So let's open Eclipse. Let's create a package. Let's create a class employee. Let's generate getter setter. Now I will try to save this class in a file system. Let's create another class. Let's create a method. Right. Let's generate constructor. Now let's create a class, a object E. Now let's create the object of file output stream because we want to save this object in file. So we will use file output stream to save the object. and here we will pass this is the file name, it could be anything. Fine. Now let's create object output stream. And here we are writing our object to file. This is a method, let's mark it static so that I can directly call it from here. Now let's run this class. Our class does not implement anything as of now, so let's run this class. Here we will see we have got exception, not serializable exception. Okay, now because our class does not implement serializable, so we can't save this object in a file system or anywhere. So let's implement serializable. And add serial version UID. We will also learn about the serial version UID, why this is required. But now let's try to save this object in a file. Yes, object has been saved to the file system. In next video, we will create our custom marker interface, and we will see how can we use that custom marker interface in our code. Thanks for watching.